grandmothers just seamlessly tie the flowers together, and we have probably had other things to do, so we are going to learn it all over again. But to start the meeting, let's have Anju going to sing us a very sweet bhajan. Anju, please go ahead.
A very good evening to all. So I'm going to sing a little bit of Kali Tandav Stuti. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma. Jai Kali Vikralini Dikpalini Karamalini Nikhil Swamini Kale Kamini Bhamini Shashi Bhalini. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma. Mahagora Padavibhora Rudra Tara Danuj Dalini Mukta Keshini Tapo Veshini Atthasini Mundamalini. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma. Girish Gehini Vishwar Gehini Bhuvana Mohini Triguna Shalini Mangale Kali Moola Nashini Diti Kalush Prakshalini. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma. Namo Devi Ananta Rupini Pranata Palani Ma.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Anju, lovely Anju. Thank you for this month of Navratri that will be starting on October 17th. Such a beautiful bhajan.
Thank you, Anju.
Thank you.
So we will now
looking forward to learning how to braid today.
Yes, Anju, stay there, and we are going to introduce our first workshop. For that, we will ask Jayu to please come in and introduce Hema, who's very close to our heart as far as heart as well as the building where you're staying. Go ahead, Jayu.
Hi, are you all excited like me with flowers here, there, everywhere around me? I'm really excited and looking forward for this workshop. And as I said, my boys all have just gone into their rooms because they think a mad woman has come in with all flowers. So they're so embarrassed, they don't want to even come around me. But I just feel what's life without dressing up and enjoying, right? I'm so happy, and so are all of you all. And I love the encouragement which I always get from all of you all my women folk. Okay, so love you all girls, and I'm feeling very excited and happy and enthusiastic as always. Now coming to Hema. Today I was just thinking, how do I introduce Hema? And then I went to see what does Hema mean. And Hema means a golden and a beautiful soul. She is a beautiful soul inside out. We were neighbors earlier, and we still miss her at Abbotsbury. Now she lives in an independent house where she has lots of trees, lot of greenery, potted plants, and her own terrace garden. Hema, we are coming soon, okay? And with all the Green Club members.
Waiting.
Yes, we are coming. We are coming. We will visit you very, very soon.
Sure.
She is such a happy homemaker with 2 smart boys, which my boys miss, okay? And she's a diligent, committed mother and a beautiful wife and a fantastic friend to all of us. And you can see all that because so many of her friends have joined because Hema is taking this workshop. So there's Bhuma, there's Geeta, there's Soumya, there's Veena, there's all of us for you, okay, Hema? And we love you. During the lockdown, she discovered her old hobby, which is her new passion now, stringing the flowers. What a beautiful hobby to be passionate about. So presenting you all my beautiful friend Hema, and she's going to passionately show her stringing of flowers. What better way can you show your passion by teaching and sharing others? Welcome Hema and enjoy the show, and all my friends, please enjoy, and we're all there for each other always. Welcome Hema.
Thank you.
Hi to everybody. I'm very happy to join this Green Goddess Club. So I think she's given enough introduction about me. So now I'll start stringing flowers for you. Can I start now?
Yeah,
Yes.
Hema, just before we start, we thought we'd get the introduction finished so that we'll just move on to the workshop. So can I request Rati to just introduce our Prabha as well, the Power Prabha. Rati, please. Rati? Yes.
Okay, okay. I thought I would come on the video because I just quickly combed my hair.
Thank you, Rati.
Multitasker.
Okay, yeah, otherwise it would not be nice, you know, to introduce someone without being on the video. And it's my pleasure to introduce my very, very old friend, Prabha Rakshagan. I think I know her the longest, I think, in this group because we were in college together 38 years ago. We were in Queen Mary's together. We were both in home science, and she was my best friend from those days. You know, like even then I could make out that she was full of life. She had her fingers in all the puddings, and very, very positive and vibrant girl. You know, and as the way I was in college, of course, I'll be missing half my classes and my homework, and she was always there to help me. Yes, Prabha? Yeah, she was always there to help me with my homework and everything. She was so full of life. And of course, we've always been in touch. She came for my marriage after that, and always been in touch. And then when we started the Duchess Club a few years down the line, she came to the parlor. She was my client at the parlor, and she expressed, you know, a desire to join the Duchess Club. During that time, she was very, very involved in Tupperware. She was #1, if I'm not mistaken. She was like #1 dealer in India, and she was doing so well. And along with that, she was also a trained nutritionist. She's done a master's in nutrition, and she's also a health expert. She's able to correlate health and nutrition, and she's given a lot of talks all over. And that's Prabha for you. And today I discovered a new thing about Prabha, where she's into flowers, and you know, and so like I told you, she has her fingers in all the pies, and in each thing she excels at it. So over to you. That's Prabha for you, Prabha Rakshagan.
Thank you so much, Rati. So nice of you. We wanted a power woman to introduce Power Prabha, as she's also known.
Yeah, Power Prabha, correct.
Power Prabha, yeah. So we'll move on to the workshop right away. I know many of you are waiting with the flowers. So Hema, please start.
Yeah. So to start with, I'll do this Rajnigandha, Sampangi, locally called. Okay. Just take one flower. This is a string. Okay. Just keep it here. Do it one round.
So what is the thread you're using for this?
This is woolen.
Woolen thread, okay.
Yeah. And take the second one. The flowers has to be in the same size. Okay. Okay. Now we have to tie both the flowers together. Again, I'm making one round, and I'm putting a knot on the top. Okay. It should not be very tight, or it should not be very loose.
Okay, Hema. Is there any technique you can give us for how to keep the fingers like that knot, that particular knot? How do we make it? Is there any
tips? Just take the string, make it one round like this.
Okay.
Just take the longer one. You can do like this.
Okay. Okay.
Now I'll do the second one. Now I have tied first and second together.
Understood.
Now I am taking the third one. It is also of the same size. You can see it.
Yes.
Now I am stringing the second and third together from bottom. So it will hold tightly. Now you have to just go around with the thread and you should tie second and third together and you have to pull a tie. It's like a chain stitch.
Okay.
So when you look at the back of the floss, you can see a chain stitch inside at the back of the floss.
Yes, we can see it. Yes.
That's how you have to tie. So you have to keep stringing like this.
Can we tie them singly, like one flower at a time, or two together is better?
Always two together. Then only you will get this chain stitch at the back.
Okay. Okay.
This is a technique. This is a chain stitch in floss.
Okay.
So like this, you can keep doing it. Like see, I will do. Now I have taken 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fifth flower. So fifth and fourth together. You have to put the thread downwards, hold it tightly, then make a knot here to hold both the fourth and fifth flower together. So it is not very tight. You can see it actually.
It looks very nice. Just trying to have a close up.
I will do some more. I will do some more.
Okay, Hema. Thank you. That's a beautiful backdrop as well, Hema. Is that your house?
Yeah, it's my terrace.
Your terrace. Wow. That's a beautiful view to get up and walk in the morning,
Yeah.
especially in this lockdown.
So I have done 6 flowers. I am now going to do the 7th one. So I am keeping the 7th one, putting the string downwards, 6th and 7th together, then making a knot, stringing them together.
Okay.
So if you see the back side will be a chain stitch. If you see in front, there will be 2 lines in it.
It looks very beautiful. The thing is, it's all practice, right? It's like you start slow.
Exactly. Yeah. Actually, it is quite easy. It's not that difficult actually. It's like if you do some stitching at home, then it's fine.
Okay.
We all do stitching at home, right?
Yeah. I think it's been a while, at least for me.
This is a little better because the stem is longer. So it's
You
easy
can
to
hold it nicely. Like unlike other flowers, the stems are very small. In jasmine and all, the stems is very small. So this, you have a good grip. You can have a grip in this flower.
So to start learning, preferably to start with these flowers because it's a good length. Very
Yeah,
good.
yeah. You can do normal stringing also in this flower. It will be very easy. I will
Okay.
show that also.
Okay, Hema.
Scissors.
So when you start tying the flowers,
Yeah.
how do you judge the length of the thread? How much thread to cut?
This I am having continuous one. Now I just cut it off. I generally do a long mala in this.
Okay. It depends on how many flowers you have, is it? That's the...
Yeah.
Okay.
This is like I bought it for some 50 rupees.
Okay.
So it will come like one big garland.
Okay, Hema.
This one. You can, if you want, you can just make a short one, and you can do another one also in different colors.
Okay.
I have done it in green. I have a blue, maroon, and all those colors. So you can do in different colors if you want. See,
Okay.
I have a blue one. I have a maroon one.
Okay.
So you can do in different thread, and you can offer to different gods.
Okay.
It's
Done.
just for vision only.
Okay.
So I will do a normal stringing in the Sampagi.
Sorry.
One up, one down. Just go one round with the thread. Okay. Now again, give a knot to it.
The same knot that you did for the other one as well.
Yeah, same knot. Actually, on the knot, that knot is the basic for all the flowers to be strung.
Okay. On the knot, Matto, can you just show like slowly, like...
Yeah, sure, I will show you. One up, one down. See, I'm going around. Okay.
Hmm.
Now take the thread, put it on the index finger, go it around the madri.
Okay.
Just take like this, put it on the top of the glass. Then pull it gently.
Okay. It's going to take a little bit of practice, or a lot of practice actually. Since how long have you been tying, Hema? From childhood?
Yeah, since my childhood. Yeah, we had lot of plants in the house.
Okay.
So my mom used to tie flowers every day. She'll make sure that I'm having flowers in my head before going to the school.
Okay.
So I used to pluck the flowers and give it to her. She will tie it and she make sure that I have it in the hair and go to the school.
Okay.
Every day, that's the practice. So the holidays, this is the best pastime. No, there is no extra classes and all for us during those days.
You have to tie the flowers.
Yeah.
And during Navratri time, anything special?
Navratri time, I used to have a long hair, so we used to put jadai and all.
Ah.
With this flowers, with this malli, they will put jadai in your plate itself, that pinnal.
How do we do that? That would be very interesting. because I
Yeah,
think it's
that is
important that-
actually,
kind of
we do
complicated.
that. French plate, right? We do
Yeah.
French plate. They have cone-like thing where they insert the flowers into the cone.
It's like veiny,
No. They will just insert that cone into your hair and pull it out. The flower will stay in the plate itself like that.
That is available even now, is it, Hema?
I have no idea. I have to search actually.
Now that you told us, we're all very interested in it. Let's learn that.
I will go and search for that.
Okay, Hema.
That's a very interesting one, and one Tarambu jadai also they will do.
Oh, that's beautiful. Okay.
Tarambu they will cut into some strip kind of thing. They'll put it in the plate and they will stitch it.
Okay. Stitch
That
meaning
is
the same as what you're doing, right?
stitching, needle and thread.
We actually stitch it. Okay.
That used to be very nice. If you have a long hair, no, so they will do it. And as a child, we used to be very proud of having those jadai and all.
Yeah. This is very nice, Hema. Adhe mari, can you show us from the start on the munnadi pannadu thirumi unnarvati pandringla?
Yeah, sure, I will do it. Yeah.
I think some of them are requesting that you show it once more.
Yeah, once again. Yeah, sure. So leave. I'm going to start it once again. Leave some thread in front. Okay. Say like this.
Okay.
Okay. Then take one flower. Make sure that sampangi is of the same size when you tie. So I am taking the sampangi, taking one below, and doing a knot. Make sure that it is not too tight or too loose.
So when you start, it's always one single flower. Illa renda you start.
One single flower, one only. See, it's only one.
This chain stitching is
You have to get that chain stitch at the back. Okay. Now I am taking the second flower. Okay. Again, 1 and 2 together. Then doing this chain stitch. Able to follow?
Yeah, actually for me right now it's looking very easy because I'm not doing it, but there are a few people doing it right now as you're showing. So if there's any questions, can you just type it out, please?
Yeah, sure. I'm here to do that. Yeah.
So now you started on the third one, and it's going to be second and third that will be timed.
Second and third together now.
Okay.
Second and third, take the thread below that, do a round on it. Okay. Now on the top, do it on the top. So it will be a chain stitch at the back.
Okay. Yes, Hema.
Now I'm going to do third and fourth together now.
Hema, நீங்க இந்த லைட்டா திரும்புறீங்களா so that we can see the front of the flower as you're doing it?
Sure. I will do that.
Thank you. Okay.
Are you able to see?
Yes. Is it uncomfortable? Sorry, the way you speak.
Hey, no problem. Yeah.
Yes.
Are you able to see?
Yes. Yes, Hema.
You will get 2 lines.
Okay.
You get 2 lines in front.
Okay, one more time, please. On the angle la kaatungna so that.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Able to see clearly?
Yes, Hema. So it goes under and then you pull it towards you.
One line below, and you will stitch on the top.
Stitch on the
Do a
top.
chain stitch on the top.
Hmm.
I will do few more.
Okay.
Not a problem. Yeah. The only trick in this is you have to hold it in a way that it should not get crushed. The stem should not get crushed while doing the tying. Sometimes if you do it fast, it will get broken here.
Okay.
That you have to make sure.
Very meditative. Even watching you actually.
In this lockdown, I started doing it. That's the only pastime in this house.
Wow.
I have lots of flowers also in the house. So I practice with whatever flower is grown in my house.
The lovely garden as well. So this is your terrace, right?
Yeah, this is my terrace. Yeah.
Doesn't look like your terrace. I actually thought there was a lawn outside.
It's kind of a lawn, but we did it in terrace. We have grass, we have some trees, all mostly flowering plants only.
Okay, Hema, I'm going to disturb you again. Is it possible that you can come closer to the laptop? Konjam, you're not. I think we are not able to see the hand.
Yeah, sure.
இல்ல கை கொஞ்சம் frame விட்டு இருக்கு. Yeah. Perfect. Yes.
Is it okay?
Yes, Hema.
We able to see everybody?
இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் உங்க ரைட்டுக்கு வாங்க. Yeah, right. Yeah, perfect. We needed that wall so that it's a blank canvas. Got it.
Okay.
Yes.
Fine.
I think we're slowly getting it. Everyone, whoever's doing it right now, can you type and or show us what's going on with you?
You're asking me?
No, I'm talking to those in the workshop who are doing the flowers right now with us.
Okay, no problem.
That is almost like poetry. Yes, Hema, we're watching you. So Indra is saying, I think I got it. Arpana says, I got it. And Anu's also doing it right now. I think she's got it as well.
Hurry, let them do. Yeah.
Radhika has done it, finished. Bhuma has done it. Wow, Nina is getting it. Everyone is getting pros.
Good. This I have posted the video in my school group, and everyone are doing this class these days.
Okay, இப்போ கொஞ்சமா அந்த உங்க கையை மட்டும் can you bring it closer to the camera? Like, sorry, அந்த angle I thought they will get a better idea. Now can you do it in this angle, please, Hema? உங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப
Sure,
தொந்தரவு.
yeah. Sure.
Yeah, this is.
1 minute.
Thank you, Soumya. Soumya is helping out Hema.
My pleasure. Yes, you can do.
Can you able to see me now?
Yes, Hema.
இந்த மாதிரி கட்டாங்கம்மா.
Yes, that's perfect. No, sorry.
Beautiful, Hema. Looking so nice.
ஒரு லில்லி கட்டுறாங்க.
Lovely.
செகண்ட் லில்லி எடுத்து ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லில்லியை செகண்ட் லில்லி சேர்த்து தேர்ட் லில்லி எடுத்து செகண்ட் தேர்டு
I never knew you could do it without needles too, Hema. This is beautiful.
Now we are telling us.
Okay.
அதுதான் நம்பர்
Who's talking?
Come close. Yeah.
Veena, can you see the now? Is it closer?
Is it closer? You're able to see?
We are able to see. I think when you're actually doing it, they just want a closer view. நீங்க அந்த கை பண்றச்சே அது கொஞ்சம். That's where everyone is getting a bit confused.
See?
இப்போ பாருங்க Veena. Oh yeah, this is a good angle as well. In the actually Hema in the unga.
I will turn to my right and I will do here.
Okay.
See? Can you able to see me now?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, that's much clearer.
Able to follow now?
Yes. Girls, are you all able to follow? You all need any more? Please just put it in the chat box.
Soumya, can we have you on your phone so you can give us a different angle if you can't maneuver the laptop? You can just mute yourself so there's no feedback.
Yes, Preeti. Preeti, you have to unmute me.
Yeah. You have to mute one of the devices, Soumya, either hers or yours.
I will mute mine.
Yeah, there's a fear.
Can you focus on you'll have to turn the camera. Yeah, perfect. Very nice. And I can see myself.
Yeah. Lovely.
Yeah, this is a very nice angle. Okay, super.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Looking beautiful, Hema. It's looking so nice. I always thought that, flowers will definitely need needles, but this is, you can do it even without needles. Very, very different. So, Soumya, when did you discover that Hema does this?
Maybe all along. There you go.
Nice, pretty.
This is looking very good, Hema. I mean, it's the angle is superb. More clarity. Everyone is able to really appreciate it. Okay, so this is in the front. You will say it's the stitching, or the cross stitch comes at the back.
Yeah.
This is.
Can you say it?
Go ahead, Hema. Keep going. Keep going. So, either slow motion la mari pannalama ipo, as in like you have to slow down what that, especially the little thing in the viral vachi pandring illaya, adu mattum da light adu konjam slow ah kaatunga. Then you turn it around, one goes under, yes, and then you loop it around 2 fingers and it goes on the top of the flower. Okay. Super. So the 2 threads will not touch each other. There has to be a gap. Other number, we have to keep pushing the threads apart. There's a mute.
Beautiful.
I think both of you have muted the device. Do you want me to unmute one of you? Hema's or no, Soumya's maybe.
I've unmuted myself.
Yeah.
Yes, it's clear. Okay. Okay, so I understood something here. One device, both the audio and the mic should be muted. That's when we won't get the feedback.
Yeah. Very nice.
Is it both mic and the audio is muted? Soumya, you want to say something? I'm not able to get any audio.
Yeah.
Is it clear, Preeti?
Yeah, it's very clear now, Hema. Very nice. So this style, everyone has picked up with your the way
Yes.
you've shown it. They want to move to the second style. Already we're moving up one level. This was the basic level. Now they're going up one level now.
Okay.
By the way, what gorgeous sarees you both are wearing. Beautiful colors.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
ஒரு இதுல audio and mic off பண்ணீங்கன்னா அந்த இது வராது feedback. Even the sound, as in the.
Yeah.
So you started with the Jadi, huh? Jadi Malli.
Quality one in the market.
Yes, Hema.
Hema, so which flower is this one now which you are doing?
Soumya, Hema, I think one of your devices you have to unmute. The other device, both have to be muted.
Yeah.
Now
Now
it's-
it's
Right?
This is a regular stringing.
அங்க ஹெட்ஃபோன்ஸ் கூட ஸ்விட்ச் ஆஃப் பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Not just the mic, also the headphones. So that you don't get the voice.
I quickly leave the meeting, come back.
Okay. So Jayu,
Yes.
have you started stringing?
I'm waiting. I'm just thinking I will string after I'll go and take a special class from Hema and see her in her terrace garden.
Okay.
Yeah. She does it well. In fact, for Bolu, how we have different colors in our building, we have different days. Everybody wears different sarees and goes and meets. And my escort is always Soumya, who keeps telling me, okay, you have to go here, go there. So it's so much fun. And Golu is really celebrated very well. Even Preeti, your place, right, is the best Golu.
The Golu, yeah. Thank you, Jayu. I think this time around it's going to be different.
Different Golu. It's going to be a solitude one with you.
Solitary Golu.
Yes.
Yeah. So, do you want me to start your video, Soumya? Yeah, it's on. It's on.
Yeah, it's on.
So in the lockdown, we're also learning all our tech stuff, Zoom and all the other interesting stuff.
Beautiful.
Thank you, Anju. So you've started this Mallipu. What Malli are you using?
Jadi Malli.
Yadi Malli. And you
Yes.
started with the red threads.
Yeah. Just remove the stems.
Can we have a little bit more of a close-up, Soumya?
I'm taking 2 flowers at the top and 2 flowers at the bottom.
Beautiful. This different color gives such a nice feel to the white flowers, no? Like the red and the green.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
2 flowers on top, 2 flowers at the bottom. So same technique of tying. This will be individuals. It won't be together.
Okay. Beautiful. You know, I think our grandmothers were so calm because they kept doing all this, right? I think it's so meditative and so calming to do this, right, Hema? No wonder you are a very calm person
Yeah.
with your 2 boys around.
Easy to follow. Guys, able to follow?
Yes. Girls, anyone in the chat box, please do tell us.
This flower I tied myself. And whatever Soumya is also having.
Hema, you've been so patient with us and Soumya as well.
Yes.
Really appreciated. And all our Green Club members as well. I can see Neeta tying the flowers most diligently. Neeta, looking pretty. Very nice. It's looking good. It's looking good. Emma, you're going too fast for us beginners. Romba fast போறீங்க.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Yeah. I will do it once again.
Okay.
Say, take 2 flowers Okay, for the top 2 flowers. Yes. And 2 flowers at the bottom. It's too tiny. This jasmine is too tiny. It's not as big as that Sampagi. Can you able to follow?
Yes, keep going, Hema. So for starters, you would recommend that they use this particular malli or
Radhi Malli is better. It has a longer stem, so it won't go wrong. You can't go wrong in Jati Malli.
okay.
You can't
Wow,
go wrong in Jati. It will be nice thick flowers also. It has a long stem where you can hold it nicely. See, I am holding it like this. Able to see? Is it clear?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
See, there is some practice. Yeah, something is easier. Yeah. I have one more way of tying in this, but that is even more time consuming. So first, let's all finish with the basic one. Then I will teach the other technique.
Okay.
The 4 flowers. It will be like this.
So it depends on your choice whether you want to keep 2 or 3 or 4 flowers. Is it, Hema?
If you want to make it fast, no, 3 in the top and 3 in the bottom. So if you keep doing it, so the buns will also be thick, yeah. It will be very
Right.
thick. See, this thing.
Lovely to hear even the birds in your garden. That is why we should all go green and start our
Yeah.
own garden and enjoy it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come over, we can have a cup of tea.
Yes.
Kavita, that's looking good, Kavita. Like number patas, like some. That's good.
Yeah. Hema, it's really nice. I think green members, if you all really want, you all can again go to Hema to practice it and show it. And of course, on the Green Club also, you can ask all your questions. Hema, are you going to do one more type or these 2, right?
Yeah, I am done, yeah. I am done.
Yes, yes. Okay. Beautiful. Girls, any more questions to Hema before we move on to Prabha?
Yes, Jayu.
Yeah, girls, any more questions for Hema? Otherwise, is it all clear for you all?
I think it'll slowly starts. They'll start practicing and it'll become clearer. And Hema is always there for us.
Of course, Hema, you expect a lot of questions on the Green Club, which you will have to answer.
Yeah,
because they all will be practicing.
Sure.
Yeah.
My pleasure.
Yeah. Just show this once, the malai, to everybody that this is how it looks. Both your... Wow. Green, beautiful. Green and white. Lovely. Beautiful.
This is the front portion. You will see 2 lines in that.
Super.
It is fantastic, Hema.
Lovely.
The back side. This is the back side.
Beautiful.
I would like to request Ms. Neena Reddy to just step in and say a few words to Hema and Soumya and all our Green Club members.
Okay, just to say namaskaram to everyone, and I think Anju, that was so beautiful, Anju. For some reason, I got tears also in my eyes, Anju, the way you rendered it. Thank you so much for the Devi Bhajan. Moving on to Hema. Hema, that was so gorgeous. And I think we always wonder when we see all the Pookara do it outside of our, when we pick it up for our weddings and things like that, how it is done. Actually, it's very, very simple. Only thing is where I've kept my first one near Baba's photo now. I just need to know how to tighten the whole thing. I think at the end of the session, maybe you can tell us those little hints.
Sure, I'll do that.
And thank you, Soumya, for assisting the whole workshop. Thank you, Srijat.
My pleasure, Neena. My pleasure, Didi.
Duchess Club and to all of us in lots of ways. Okay, so big hugs to you. now coming to Prabha, I think that was lovely, the words that Rati said about her. That was so heartwarming, okay? I didn't know that you were such good friends, yeah? Just to say that we are seeing different facets to different people, and Prabha, I've seen a very strong girl out there, and she's got a new role in my life now. She's going to be helping me also with Amravati Home Foods. She's going to be coming on board in a big way, and because you know the advantage is she knows Telugu, Tamil, and English. So I'm sure she's going to be very communicative to lots of women. So welcome to the Andhra People's Club. Okay. So thank you again, and thank you for the workshop you're going to give us, Prabha. Power, Prabha. Cheers to you.
Yes.
Thank you, Preeti.
Prabha, good evening. Namaskaram, vanakkam.
Vanakkam, Preeti.
Is that vanakkam? Unga kita, there is another device next to you, Prabha. Konja feedback for the voice.
எடுத்துட்டேன்.
Okay.
Take it. The video alone is happening.
Prabha, we like the garland in your
Yeah,
neck.
so this will be the
Beautiful.
starting for the today's class, and we'll be showing a video also. From here, I will be the director, and I'll be my friends will be showcasing it. So shall I start the program now? Are you ready for a power performance?
Yeah, on behalf of everybody, we are both going to yell, yay! Yes, Prabha. Power,
Yes.
Prabha.
Okay. தமிழ்ல ஒரு வார்த்தை சொல்வாங்க, பொன் வைக்கிற இடத்துல பூ வைங்கன்ட்டு. For people who can't understand, you keep flower instead of gold. So flowers play a very important role in South Indian tradition and Indian tradition also. The second thing I would like to say is about this mala. This is dedicated to green goddesses.
Wow.
There is one more proverb in Tamil that says, பூவோடு சேர்ந்து நாரும் மனம் பெறும். That means you are all flowers and I am the nar. Nar takes the good things from the flowers. So with you, I am also getting more power and more perma, more confidence, I should say. Okay.
Said Prabha. Huh?
Yeah. So this is tied in such a way, no needle, nothing. I will be showing you now. It can be removed. You could use it for small statues. You could use it for yourself. You could use it for so many things. We are using இது குடுமா அது வாழை மர இலையில பின்னாடி பக்கம் இருக்கும், இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். ஓகே, இதுல
banana fruit இல்லைங்களா? Banana fruit.
banana root இல்ல, வாழை இலைய ரெண்டா மடிச்சோம்னா banana leaf. When you fold it, no, you will get it. So we have removed that and we have stitched this flowers. So in the other camera, you can see them showing it to you. Can you spotlight that, Preeti?
Which is the other person holding the camera, sir?
Her name is Vidya Maitli. Can you see that?
She's not entered, I think.
She has entered. She's showing the video. She's there.
Maybe in a different name. What is the name on the phone?
Her name is Vidya Maitli. So till you find out,
Oppo
F19 and the Molly Poedma. So till you find it, I will give the next talk.
Yeah, she's there. We found
Then you go ahead. So now she's showcasing. We have organized all the flowers. So she will show that banana stem tying now. Okay, now you can see that. She's showing it. It is very easy. Can you see that? We are just using that velvet thread and simple knots. What you learned, basic learning, those simple knots.
கொஞ்சம் அந்த ஸ்லோவா காட்ட சொல்லுங்க.
Camera zoom பண்ணிட்டு
ஸ்லோவா அப்படியே காட்டுங்க. So one on the top and one on the bottom.
On the bottom, same thing. Radhika, this stick is banana leaf. When you fold it, you will get these sticks. Normally, no, these are all eco-friendly items. So I chose that because threads and all will take a long time to compose. So it's better to burn them when you're doing the samrani. All the threads you have, it will take years to degrade it. So you could use them. Same tying what she taught you, we are teaching in this stick so that it will stay firm like this.
great idea, Prabha.
This
Vidya,
is
கொஞ்சம் slow-ஆ காட்டுங்க Vidya. நீங்க நல்ல super fast-ல போயிட்டு இருக்கீங்க.
Amma, you're all beginners.
Yes. See, I heard that this is also will be shown in YouTube, so you can have a look at that also.
Yes, Prabha, on a Green Goddess YouTube channel.
YouTube channel, yeah. So you will be doing it in the same thing with one flower here, one flower down, and then you will be doing it with that. It's a simple, basic what Hema taught, same thing, but in this thing, that's all. That's the only difference.
Okay. Looking very, really beautiful.
So we will be giving you a power pack performance. After this, you can see watch that, and you can try it little later also. I have one more thing. I was born in Madurai. Madurai is very famous for Madurai Malli. Madurai Malli, Ramba famous, and it has also got its GI tag. So since I was born in Madurai, you must have heard about those flowers have a special fragrance, and they have a unique way of tying it. That we can teach later, but I have done one special thing which is very famous in Irkankudi Mariamman temple. This is Malli and this is the green Davanam. Davanam means this is in green color. It has got lovely fragrance, and Madurai Meenakshi is famous for Mercury, Budan Graham Solvanga. So this green is very famous for that. So anytime you can decorate your house. This is available in Chennai. Or kattu will be only 5 rupees or 10 rupees. One bundle will be only 5 rupees or 10 rupees. But the perfume will be there for a month. So you could use it by tying this Mallipu and this Davanam. So I am contributing this to the place I was born, Madurai.
Super.
Madurai Meenakshi.
Super. That Davanam smell is beyond anything. If none of you, I mean, if few of you have not smelled it or had the chance to tie or wear a flower with this Davanam in it, you should definitely go, and you can pick it up in any of the temples. They will have it. You should check it out. It is, and it's used in the fragrance industry as well.
Yes. And when in case somebody is coming to Golu, imagine giving only so much to them. It will make them so happy. Now Golu means Ambal is coming to your house. That is the basic. Imagine giving just a small piece. And it adorning her hair, it will be really lovely, looking lovely, and the fragrance will stay longer. Okay. By the way, the sari I am wearing is called, I'll talk about it little later because I have so much to share with you. The next thing we are going to show you is all about lotus petals. What you could do with lotus petals. Okay, see, you can learn this and try tomorrow and day after also. We are going to show you a lot of things. Now we will show in lotus petal. This we will be doing, you can either do it with your feet or you can do it with a plate. We will be using a plate. You all know that I am basically from Tupperware. I joined Tupperware in 98. So from 98, I have dedicated my life to Tupperware, I should say. Whatever flowers you are buying, you can always store in Tupperware containers. This I bought exactly 10 years back. Sorry, 10 days back. Imagine how fresh it is. So any Tupperware container, you can use all these flowers, loose flowers, even the tied ones. You can use it. And one of the plates, today we are using to show you the lotus decoration. We are using one Tupperware plate to decorate lotus leaves. Can you see that she's showing it now?
Yes, Prabha, we are seeing it right now.
Because we are going to teach you 4-5 things because only 15 minutes for me, even 15 hours is not enough to talk. But in this 15 minutes, I will try to show you 4-5 things where you can go through the YouTube video again and again and learn it. So this is with the plate, we are using lotus leaves. We are zooming it closely. Can you see the plate and the thread, ordinary thread? She is using a lotus petal.
How did you start, Prabha? The plate. When you say plate, it's how are you anchoring the thread?
By God's grace, I have been always associated with lot of positive women around me. When I used to do Doordarshan program, somebody will tell me, Prabha, you're speaking Tamil very well. I'll tell them my mother tongue is Telugu, but I spoke Tamil very well. Same time, they'll always encourage me that you are speaking so well. So I started identifying people who do great things. This my friend Vidya Maitri, who is also the Green Goddess member. She does it always. So she told me to bring the plate. I brought it here. And she's showing that only, the plate, and see the way the needle is, the thread is being hold. Just see it.
So Vidya, the thread goes around the plate, is it?
Yes, the thread goes around the plate. Because instead of them, I will talk, because they are doing the work. It's very difficult to do the work and talk. So the thread go in camera. Yeah. Can you see the plate now?
Yes, yes.
And then now you will see one lotus and two chambangi. She is tying it to it. We will tell you why we are using different colors. See, I am a little spiritual person. We always feel that 5 elements are ruling us. So 5 different colors, it's always good to use. That's why I was talking about the temple tree, that Indonesia tree, when in the Green Goddess group. And here we are focusing on colors. Colors are very good, not only for the aesthetic thing, but it also gives a pleasant look for our eyes. So she's using 3 colors now, one pink, one white, and one purple. You can create n number of colors. According to your sari also you can do it, and you can put it in your little bit konda. See what I put now? This is a different string. Just now we did it.
Lovely.
So you can, I think you can look at the lotus string. You see how she's
So
doing it.
when she takes the lotus, you're pinching the ends of the lotus to create a kind of a space for the other flowers.
Yes, for the kadambam, and then we keep that purple flower, and same tying.
Okay.
Tying is the basic tying. Instead of feet, we are using the bowl moody.
Okay.
If you want, you can use the feet also, but here we are using the bowl seal.
If you're using the feet, you'll string the thread around the big toe.
Yes, big toe, yes. So once you learn the basic tying, all these things we can create on our own. So I was talking about 5 elements, and also Navagrahas, 9 colors. There are not 9 Navagrahas. You can use mixed colors. When you used to go to temple, people will normally give kadambam. I'll show that. That will be our next. So now what we did with lotus, you can see it here. This is done with red rose and chambangi. This is tied with red rose and chambangi. Red rose petals and chambangi. Like this, we folded like this, and then we tied it.
Okay.
Okay. So even if you have 1 rose, you can create wonders. You don't have to think about a bountiful full of roses. Even if you have 1 single rose and few chambangi, you can do that. And now I will show you the lotus also, what we completed a few minutes back. Lotus, what we tied. I'll show you, because now we are going to show about. Okay. So this is what she was tying now, just a few minutes back, to show you. Lotus, chambangi, and
Just
Yes.
can you see?
it has to focus a little bit. Maybe konja pinnadi. Yeah, now better. Yes. Okay, beautiful.
Same knot, whatever Hema taught, that is the basic knot. See, actually, if you learn to put 4 pulli kolam, you can do n number of columns. Same way, when you learn to simple tying, you could create magic. I'm only showing a few things. But once your artistic mind starts working, you can do n number of things. See, lotus is associated with Mahalakshmi. And white lotus is associated with Mahasaraswati. So since we are going to celebrate our Navaratri, we can use all these concepts. So one more, we did the same way. We had strung Samandipu, same way, in the bowl, and we can put little bit of kumkum in this for decoration, or we could use it as it is, like veni, like that.
It's very nice.
Okay. So now, as I told you, kadambam. Kadambam has got all colors. You must be knowing about kadambam. It has got all colors, especially Kanahambaram, Arali, Chambangi, Davanam. They will have Thalampu. They will also have Mehendi flowers with leaves. So this will stay fresh for more than 3-4 days when you do it.
That is beautiful.
We will be showing one of this now. So this has got all colors. During Saturdays when you go, you can see people selling purple flowers. That is what recently we were talking about it, Sangha Pushpam. They will say it is very good for Shivan, it's very good for Sanishwaran. So Navagraham is very famous. You could use all these flowers. They don't dry fast. These flowers do not dry fast. Kanahambaram, Davanam, Chambangi, Arli, and those purple flowers. Okay. So now we will show you one stringing. Yeah. So we are going to show you how easily you can do this at home. With that Varanara, I was talking about Varanara. This will be available with the flower lady.
Okay.
Okay. So this was done just in 10 minutes.
Wow.
So I think you will be interested in knowing it. Are you interested? Say yes.
Yes. Yes. And it's also raining here. Is it raining there for you, Prabha?
It is drizzling. It's drizzling. We living in Velachery, we don't call them rains. We call them only drizzles.
Drizzles, yes.
Yeah. Now I am tying that big flowers which we are showing you a small garland using thread and that Vadanar.
Okay.
Yeah, India is rich in its varied and heritage. So any flowers you get, you can make this combination. She is using a rose and Vadanar to tie it. I hope it is clear.
It's clear. Just can you? Yeah, the camera go a little closer to the flower.
Yeah. She has kept 4 flowers and she keeps tying it.
I think we've stepped up into the advanced level at this point. So she's got 4 flowers and she's going round and round, is it?
It's going round and round. That's all. That's why I told you can finish it off in 10 minutes.
Okay.
This is nice.
Yeah, it's very easy to do. So we, all these flowers are available down the market. And one more thing, why we do this thing means this is called Chinmutrai. I have been doing a number of workshops. This is called Chinmutrai. Even in today Hindu or Times of India, I'm not sure. They said most of the homemakers are stressed because of this COVID problems. So they have asked us to do a lot of meditation. This Chinmutrai helps in meditation. People down south use this for putting kolam and use it for tying the flowers. And people above Tamil Nadu, they use it for embroidery and crochet. So this portion, when you involve it in doing the work, it acts as a meditation. When children are young, we used to talk about hand and eye coordination. I have also sent a video. My mother has done it. I have sent it to Preeti. We will share it little later. She's 75 plus. She has done the tying of jasmine flowers. I have sent it. So this hand and eye coordination, when you do it when the sun sets, it's like a good meditation. So even if you have only very light flowers also, you can just relaxedly sit and you learn to tie this. That helps you in a very good meditation. Once you meditate and once you silence your mind, your soul is happy and you can reach out to the divine.
Wow, Prabha, that was amazing. I just kept quiet because I just wanted to keep listening to what you were saying. We will play that video that your beautiful mom has done. Kiran, could you play the video, please? We really want to see because
yes. I'm not little tech savvy, so I took help from you. I don't know much of this. Is my mother who's doing it.
Voice over, Prabha.
Okay, my mother does lot of kolam and all she does. I haven't inherited, by the way. I can only talk a lot. So this since Nina, Preeti, Jayu all gave me the opportunity to do this program, I went to her place in Kotivakam and I asked her, these flowers are in my mother's garden. They bloom every day. They bloom every day.
After completing it, like this.
Beautiful.
So I just kept, I told her to keep 3-3. She's using 3-3. Okay. She's using a thread.
Very nice.
Yeah. So I took a 1-minute video. I took a 30 seconds video just to show you all.
Beautiful. Please give her a big hug from us, Prabha, when you meet her.
My mother is an ardent fan of Rati Nambiar. We call her that only. Rati Devi Neelakandan. She was Rati Nambiar, so we know her from college days. My mother likes her so much. So now you can see the Gundu Rojapu. I call that Chellama, that's Gundu Rojapu. You can see that Gundu Rojapu. She just now she tied it. That is what she tied just when I was talking to you, just only rounding the flowers.
Wow.
These roses are beautiful.
Beautiful.
இன்னொன்னு காட்டலாம்.
அதான் மல்லி
Okay.
மல்லி வந்து கட்டுறதுக்கு தெரியலன்னா
So Prabha, have you started doing decoration for weddings? You should start that. So
I think
beautiful.
my next business, I can do a bouquet shop. I can do a deco shop. Only thing is I can talk. I cannot tie. I am that type. I can't even put
மல்லி
scale line போட கூட எனக்கு வராது. I'm sorry to say I'm not artistic, but I learned a lot of things. That's why I'm sharing it with you. And finally, we are going to show you, like Madurai Malli is famous with needle and thread. We will show you one small how to do a Madurai Malli tie-up. Are you ready? This goes with the needle. Only now we are going to show the needle. Are you ready?
We are all ready.
Yes. Now you can see they have taken the it's a very simple needle. Vidya is showing it to you. It's a very simple needle. And they have taken the flowers. This is very easy because this is very premium priced in Madurai when you go. And they call here in Chennai, one modem, they will charge around 50 to 60 rupees. But you can easily do it at home. She's using the needle. Yeah. First, you will tie 2 flowers in a normal way, normal, simple knot, 2 flowers, 2 jasmine up and down.
Can we focus more on her hand?
Yeah, she's doing it now.
The hand, yes.
Yes, yes.
Vidya, it's superb. Look at the
Lovely.
speed. Yeah, I need to get there.
I'll send a photograph of Vidya later. She has got an artistic thing. She has been my friend and guide for more than 10 years.
Vidya is also on the Green Club, you said, right?
Yes,
Prabha?
Vidya is in the
Yes.
Green Club.
So we haven't heard from her.
Yeah, she will be talking in future.
Okay.
She joined. That's Prabha's gift to her.
Yeah,
So
I've given her the.
She's joined Green Club today
She
itself.
has a lovely garden. Maybe next time she'll post pictures. She has a green thumb. She has great collections at home. Even Inji is growing in her house.
Wow.
Wow.
Inji, manjal, all these things are rare. It is growing. She lives in Besanahar. It's growing. I think now you can understand how Madurai Malli is being done.
So when do you have to keep on adding this layer? When do you stop, Prabha?
You can for how much ever you want you can do, because once that is strung till then, if the needle is so much, you do it till the needle and then you push it down.
Okay.
She'll do it now. And once you learn it now, you can twist and turn and then you can keep adding the flowers. This is just a basic. You take a needle, you thread it, and then you start adding flowers. Ipdi, like in all directions.
And the thread she's using is twine.
Normal white thread. Sewing thread. This you could use it for if somebody is doing a haldi function. You can ask somebody to do it because it will give, rather than buying it, it will give a clear nirukama, that is, it is tied together. Preeti, please help. Tamil la onnu rendu varalina, please help.
Yes. To tie it very close to each other, so it looks thick and nice and beautiful in the hair.
So now I have something to talk about it. Tying flowers together when you tie flowers in a family, it will keep the family happy, togetherness. So that also plays a role. When you tie flowers, you can offer prayers. Let my family be united. Let it be united like that. So these are the basic things people ask others to learn. And it won't take much time. Once you learn how to tie, I don't know how to tie, but I know how to make this one. Using the needle, I know how to make it. So when we do that, no, the fragrance, the way we sit and do, even if it is for 10 minutes, it is like awesome meditation. This flower is just a bud. By night, 7 o'clock, it will look like a garland. So you can all tie this today. and wear it in your talakonda or jada and have fun with your husbands.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, Prabha.
Live life.
Yeah,
Full
live life.
Yes, but that was amazing, Prabha, what you said. That should be the foundation, actually. As you're tying the flowers, you wish good for your family. So beautifully you said.
So today when we tying the flowers, we prayed that the green goddesses reach new heights.
Thank you so much.
Yes, with all your support and love, we all will reach. We have
Yeah.
got so much love in the Green Club.
Yes.
And thanks, Prabha, for that.
Yeah. So now you have seen the final one. And all these flowers we use today, we will show a long shot, like how we prepared today. And I should thank you all for giving me such a great opportunity. And you can see all the flowers that were displayed for you all.
Beautiful.
What a
It looks like a
color.
putty flower shop, Prabha.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this is for our Madurai Meenakshi. And with that, I think we'll say thank you. Somebody is asking a question. How long does it take to, what do you say? That rose bundle took only 10 minutes for her. Chinnaduma. This took only 10 minutes. And this is Punita for us who was tying the garland. Her name is Punita. She does it very quickly. She took or not. There are not more than. More than 15 roja puna idhula irukku. Just round and round. Imagine tying for your Navaratri like this. Just imagine.
Beautiful.
Okay. And this is the bigger version. With the flowers, this is the bigger version.
Wow.
This took around 15 minutes. That's all. The flowers are big. Here the flowers are small. That is the only difference. These are big flowers. Imagine hanging them in your house entrance. And this will stay good at least minimum 3 days. This looks like a garland. A small tip is when you are tying these flowers, when you use water, pour little bit of rose water.
Okay.
When you are tying it, pour little bit of rose water so that the perfume is enhanced.
This roja that you're using, it's very sturdy. Sometimes the petals just fall off. So any particular variety you recommending, Prabha?
No, this way, buy fresh flowers. This is straight from Coimbatore.
Okay.
We had somebody, so he brought us this and gave. So
Yes,
for doing this workshop, we contacted all the high-level people to bring flowers for us.
So nice.
Prabha can do that.
Lovely. Beautiful.
Prabha, a lot of questions are coming in and asking about your sari.
Yeah, okay. See, I prefer to wear saris because I feel that's a tradition. This is called Valalai sari. I'll tell you the exact word. This is sold by my sister, and my daughter gifted it me for a September 3rd wedding anniversary. So I thought today will be the apt time to release the sari. Today is the first day I'm wearing it. This is the
First day, first show.
silk. This is a sort of silk, like Ahimsa silk.
Oh, beautiful.
So your sister's retailing this, is it?
Pardon?
Your sister's retailing these saris, Prabha?
My sister is a merchandiser.
Okay.
She did her thing in WCC and SIET. So she sources them from the weavers.
Okay. And what is the badge you're wearing? I Empower. That's a fantastic.
These two are my bread and butter. This is called Tupperware.
Okay.
This is my bread and butter. I was given this badge because I have empowered n number of women to earn that extra income. So I always wear it.
Fantastic.
Beautiful.
So many ideas.
So much power from you, Prabha. Lovely. Power girl. Now I won't call you Prabha. I'm going to call you Power girl. Okay, new name for you from me.
Thank you.
Okay. Actually, that was power packed only, I must say. And I think there is so much more to learn from you, Prabha and Hema. So we would like to thank you, Prabha, exclusively for coming into the Green Club and showcasing all the different ways we can enhance this particular month of Navratri. So we'd like to thank Prabha, as well as Vidya and Punita, as well as Hema and Saumya. Thank you so much. Thank you all you Green Club members who joined us, and please do stay on, and we will have more workshops coming up from you as well. Jayu, anything else you would like to say?
Yeah, thanks a lot. And girls, please spread the word around. We need more positive people like you all to join our Green Tribe, because I think in Corona, all what we can do is spread positivity, bring in some nice people, try and help out as much as we can. And I really feel that the Green Club is getting a lot of positive energy thanks to you all. Please help us spread it more with all your friends. And looking forward for many, many more workshops with you all and trying to get the best for you all. Thank you very much and love to all of you all. Thank you.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you, Savera, for the Zoom link, as well as Anju for that beautiful bhajan, Anju. That was really, really beautiful. Thank you so much. And I know many of you in the Green Club are very resourceful. We are hoping to find more of you so that we can and showcase your talents and your hobbies and interests. So do let us know. Nandri, Vanakkam.
Thank you.
Neeta, I know you were diligently working on your thing. Can we see what you've been up to? All of you.
So beautiful.
Wow, that's great.
Lovely. Nice, Neeta. So nice.
Yourself.
Thank you, girls.
This is what I learned, but the others I couldn't make here. I couldn't do those small flowers. No.
Nice.
I think comes with practice only.
Practice, yeah. But at least I'm happy I did this, yeah.
Looking very good. Neeta.
Neeta, it's very pretty.
Hema, thank you, Hema.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Hema, for this.
Jayo and Preeti.
Yes. Thanks, Hema. It was so much fun to see you like this in full spring, and we want more of you like this. Really nice.
Yeah. Thank you, Hema. Thank you, Soumya.
And Soumya, thanks a lot for always being there for all of us. Okay, you are a most beautiful friend to have around, and I know how it is. Hema, you are blooming. We want you to blossom more.
Thank you, yeah. Thank you
Is
so
there
much.
anyone
Anyone else who wants to show us your flowers and we can check out what anyone brave enough? Let's see. I know many of you are doing it.
Yeah.
And also, I'm so excited when it rains. When it rains in Chennai, we get so excited. You just want to go out and, go out, maybe stand near the gate. That's all we can do at the moment. But still. Yeah. Neeta, you're indoors, right?
Okay. Soumya, show yours.
Yeah.
Soumya?
I've done this. Hello.
Wow. Soumya. Meena is also talking. Soumya, there was a light behind, so we couldn't properly. Show us once.
Beautiful.
Preeti show Neena, no? Preeti show.
It looks like one necklace.
Wow.
Who's necklace? Beautiful.
Wow, that is a great idea, Jayu. I can only think of it at the moment.
Little more about.
I'm coming for this necklace.
Yeah, beautiful necklace.
Very nice, very nice. Soumya. That's a good color combination, purple and white.
Very, very nice. Lovely.
Preeti put the camera on Neena, no? Before you.
Neena has gone on her next meeting, Camilla. I'm waiting to see all the coconuts and leaves, but you are not showing anything.
Yes, that is a special workshop.
We all want to see. Green Club is waiting.
Yes.
Ami? Camilla?
Yes, next workshop.
Okay. Is that PG-13?
Girls, so our next workshop is going to be Neena's candle making, and we are going to be we will be sending you all the kits, and it's for the National Association of the Blind, so all the proceeds will go to them. And we have Priya who's going to be sponsoring that, so she'll also be talking about her interiors. So looking forward for all of her making candles.
Yes, Jay, you go ahead.
Yes, so we will all be waiting for you all to join the new candle making workshop, and all the proceeds will go to the National Association of Blind. So please do join us. All the kits will reach you all in time as always. And Priya Rajan will be talking on her form and function and her sustainable interiors which she's doing. Because I think today we need all our houses to look beautiful. So come and join us. Details will follow soon. Yeah.
What's the date, Jayu?
October 31st, which is Halloween, but we will celebrate with all the lights, cami and coconuts. I cannot
yeah, the
get
coconuts.
மட்டும் வேணும்னா நான்
over the
ஃபுல்லா பண்ணிக்கிறேன்.
coconuts. And
நீ என்ன
also
பண்ண
like
போற
to
அதுக்கு
thank
பண்ணு. நான் யூஸ் பண்ணல.
Rati, and there's a lot of
Yes.
happening.
So we shall see you all again, and thank you very much once again.
Thank you again.
Okay.
Bye. Thanks a lot, Hema, Soumya, and all of you. It was great fun.
Yeah.
Bye.
As we can't stop talking only. Actually.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Quite
thank
fun
you.
voices.
Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you. Bye, Preeti. Bye, Jayu.
Bye.
Thanks, Soumya. Bye. Bye.
Jayu, are you there?